Polynesian. Ooh, mermaids. Pretty tub. Look at that. Tiki room parrots. Ooh, full-length mirror. What do we have here? A little closet, ironing board, safe. It looks like. We've got. I always think these are dishwashers, but this is the mini fridge. Little coffee selection. Microwave, another bathroom, look at this, another shower room. Two people can get ready. One big bed. Ooh, one small bed. And there's our view. We can see the castle from our room.
Wait, where am I gonna sleep?
Okay, we got another pull-up bed. Oh, look at that nice mattress though this time. And you can sleep by Lilo and Stitch.
Oh. Wait, where's the other bed though?
Alright, I'm in the bathroom. Here, there's the bathroom.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sitting here on our deck, which is a pretty good size one. If you come across here, you can see the castle, and you can see Space Mountain. And there's two really big riverboats coming over here. I think those are the ones taking the people from the ticket and transportation to MK. So you must have to turn. Oh yeah, that's TTC. when we had a view like this, we'd see people going down Splash Mountain, but I don't think we're on a Bayou Adventure now. I don't know if we're the right direction for that. Way out there, there's something which might be, oh, maybe that was Tower of Terror. I don't know what that means.